Alright, so after we've got everything cut out, hammered out, and got it the way we want it looking, it's just easy as wham bam thank you ma'am. Just like that. And we're done. I'm kidding. You can't just hit a pile of flat pieces of metal and make them into a rose like this. Not with a pair of pliers anyways. I mean, I'm not that good. Some of you may be, but I'm not. I'm just going to show you how I got it to look like this from a pile of flat pieces of metal. So just hang tight. It's going to come here in a little bit. But anyways, here it is. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to weld the leaves on it that we had cut out and etched out earlier. So hang tight for that one. So what you're seeing here is I'm bending the stems of these leaves, so whenever I weld these leaves onto the stem of the rose, it lets it look a little bit more realistic, like a real rose here. That way it gives a more authentic kind of look. And then right here what you're seeing is I'm bending the center of these leaves in to give that leaf a little bit more of a form, I guess you could call it. That way it looks a little bit more realistic. I'm also going to be bending the tips of these leaves in. That way it gives it a little bit more of that rose-like figure to it. So this is what they look like. Turned out pretty good in my opinion, so that's how I made the leaves for this one. Alrighty. Here's what it's kind of going to look like once we get these leaves welded on here. It's going to be something kind of like that. Get these leaves welded on, and that'll be pretty well it for this one, unless I paint it, of course. So Alright, well, here it is. The final stage of this rose. I mean, I'll probably paint this, but I'll show you a picture of one that I did paint and let you determine how that one turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. I thought it turned out a lot better than I figured it would, but again, hope this video helps you if you feel like making one for yourself or for a significant other. If you don't feel like making one but still want one, I'll leave a comment below, and you can go ahead and click on that link and get one from there. It's a Etsy website me and my wife have set up. So if you're interested in getting one, go ahead, click that link, order one, and we'll get one heading your way in a week or two from the time you order it. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Alright guys, here's the rose that I did paint. Here's what it looked like after getting it painted. It looks pretty good. If you guys want one, I've got some in several different colors. Just visit me and my wife's Etsy website here. I'll give you a link. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe if you liked what you see.